Oh, that's a twist.
Better now?
Yeah,
Yeah?
yeah.
Why do you like that so much?
With this.
Hmm?
With this.
Because what?
With this. With this. With this. That makes me happy.
Which one?
This.
What is that called?
Orange and cuties.
Oranges cuties?
Uh-huh.
No, you tell Tito Alan to buy you cuties. Say, Tito Alan, can you buy me cuties?
You already have cuties.
Tell him to buy you more.
Okay.
Wait, what do you love more, strawberries or cuties?
Cuties.
Oh no. Okay, tell Tito
I
Alan.
like strawberries.
Well,
I like strawberries and cuties.
both?
I like those.
Okay, eat it. Good girl face. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Good job.